Hello, welcome back. I'm Thomas Boucher, and in this video we'll take a look at finishing the windows. So last time we were working, we were able to get this window mostly in. I still need to put the stops on the outside and then put the trim. Hopefully the plan today is to start getting the other two windows in as much as possible. Hopefully if I can at least get them to this point where the window itself is in, but maybe the casing's not done. This is a test piece, but what I was doing here, setting up all my angles for the sill. So I have a tapered piece here. That's the first piece I laid down in the opening. The sill itself is going to sit on top of it, so it'll be pitched at an angle. And I cut bevels so that this is at a 90 degree to the window opening, and this will be perpendicular. So inside the trim and everything can sit flush against this, hopefully. And the sill inside will sit on top of this. And it'll also act as a stop for the window. I just kind of threw this in the window real quick and it seems like it's fitting just right, so.
That was 23 and a half.
That's okay. So that window can go in. I just realized we didn't leave this casing sticking out. It's so hard to keep track of all this. Hopefully,
Yeah.
it'll fit. I
Yeah.
don't know if it will or not because of the angle, but hopefully.
No?
It's been getting really cold the last couple weekends, but once you start working, it warms up a little bit. Hopefully today we can finish getting the trim finished on the windows on the outside anyways. The last board I just tried to put up here cracked on me, so I pre-drilled a new board. It's actually a cleaner board, so ultimately it'll be better. line up down there.
It does here. Are you there?
Yeah, pretty much. So we just finished putting the trim on the outside of these windows. We still have the window on the side. I have to put the trim on that, and then after we finish that up, I think we're going to put the returns on the corners here on all four sides.
So what was that? 49 and 3?
I don't remember. I can keep track of this stuff. I did it on my phone. So 39 and 3/4 plus 8. 1.5. Oof, 49 1/4.
That sucks, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Put it on in 2 pieces. Put a joint in the middle.
I'd be able to get out of a 4-footer if the top didn't overlap.
Put it in 2 pieces. You cut it at a 45. You put one over the other.
I don't really want to do that though. What if I don't have the top sticking out wider?
I think that would look worse than cutting it at a 45. Ah, you don't have any long ones left?
No, I do. I'll have to go look and figure it out. 49 1/4.
It's awful damn long.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know. Get out your calculator then.
How did we miscalculate? 38 1/4 plus 8 plus 47 3/4.
What was that? 49?
It's 2 inches too long, so we could have got it out of a shorter one.
Well, we gotta cut it again.
Yes, we do.
Take your tape measure.
At least it's too long and not too short. Alright, let me try this again.
So roughly about right there.
So,
So you just need some sort of
there. So most of the trim is done on the shop. We got everything, the returns, the window. I'm super happy to have that done. The only thing left is to do the trim around the door on the other side, but that won't happen for a little while. So, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, as it really helps me out and it'll keep you up to date on my shop build, as well as other projects I have going on. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for my Instagram. That'll show you more up-to-date current projects I'm working on, as well as my website where you can pick up some merch to help support me and the stuff that I do. Thanks again for watching. Bye.